in the green basket. About $25, which puts you in eligibility for the $150 to the $400 value prizes. Eid is coming up. I see a lot of kids in the room. A Nintendo Switch is available. I think right now is the time, if you want, ask your parents to put in $25 for the opportunity for you guys to potentially get a Nintendo Switch. Apple Watch, AirPods, a really nice stainless pen that is a warmer, a cookware set, a Dyson vacuum. I think now's the time for any gentleman that's married that is not doing enough chores. Right now's the time to start. Get yourself a Dyson vacuum, go home. It's wonderful. I have one. It's fun to use. Make sure that you go ahead and do that and check out a lot of the other great prizes that we have for you all today. Buy yourself a Raffle ticket and put yourself in eligibility for one of these amazing prizes. Next up, we talk a lot about how our youth is our future. So let's give a loud salam for our young supporters who are now going to bless us with a presentation. Allahumma salli ala